Looking at this, we have the 11th root of what? Of x to the power of 44 equals 100. So what are you going to do? So from this left hand side, we can rewrite this. You know, if you remember, if you have something like square root of a from the law of indices, you know, this is going to be a to the power of 1 over 2. So what I mean is that this square root will change to the index, that is fractional index, all right, power. So the same thing we are going to have here. So if you now have something like 11th root, so instead of 1 over 2, this is going to be 1 over 11, and that is the idea we are going to use here. Understood? Okay, so now from there we are going to we change this to, we have x to the power of 4, then this 11th root will turn to 1 over 11, then equals what? Equals 100. And you know that this 44 is a power inside the parentheses. 1 over 11 is also a power outside this parenthesis. So from the law of indices again, so if you have a to the power of b, okay, and have another power outside, so it shows that this will be b times c. You're going to multiply the two powers together. So that's what we are going to do here. So this will be x 44 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 1 over 11. I use dot because of this x. So equals 100. So from here, so we're going to have x 44 divided by 11, then equals 100. What? 100. All right. So from here, the next thing we're going to do, 44 divided by 11. So what is that going to give us? We are going to have x to the power of what? X to the power of 4. Then equals this. We have 100. So now from here, the next thing we're going to do, we have x to the power of 4 equals 100. So we can rewrite this equation as x squared, then to the power of what? To the power of 2. Because x squared, 2 times 2 will later give us 4. Then we have what? This 100. So now from here, what are you going to do from here? So from here, we're going to have s squared all to the power of 2 minus 10 squared, because I can take this 100 to the left hand side, so becomes 10 to the power of 2, because 10 to the power of 2 same thing as 100, so we have this to be 0. So now from here, this is like difference of 2 squares, so we can have it to be s squared minus 10, then s squared plus 10 equals 0. All right, so from here, so we are going to equate this and this to be 0. We have x squared minus 10 equals 0, s squared or s squared plus 10 equals 0. All right, so we're going to have s squared to be 10, or we have what? S squared to be equals minus 10. Are you following? So now from here, we're going to have, here we have, taking the square root of the both sides, we're going to have root of 10 plus or minus. So this, we cancel this, we have x equals plus or minus this. Are you getting it now? So we are having what? We are having the two solutions, that is x equals root what? 10, and x equals, let's say this is x1, this is x2 minus what? Minus root 10. So now if you say we should solve this further, so x raised to power 2 cannot give us a negative number, all right? So on the set of real number, we are not going to have solution here. So we go to what? Reject this solution here. It will be rejected, all right? So the only solution that we have that is valid for this is when you have what? When you have the value of x to be root 10 or minus root 10, all right? And that's the end of the class. If you find this class very interesting, please do not hesitate to share this to your friends so they can learn from it. Like, share, comment. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing today so that you'll be notified anytime we upload any content. Bye.